Hello everyone, I'm your teacher for this question. Let me explain this question to you now. The question says that a thin rod of mass m and length 2l is made to rotate about an axis passing through its center and perpendicular to it. If its angular velocity changes from 0 to omega in time t, the torque acting on it is। क्वेश्चन में हमको गिवन है कि एक रॉड है जिसका मास m है और लेंथ 2l है जो कि रोटेट हो रही है अबाउट इट्स एक्सिस, जो कि उसके सेंटर से पास हो रही है। तो हमको और उस रॉड के परपेंडिकुलर है एक्सिस, तो हमको फाइंड करना है टॉर्क, जबकि एंगुलर वेलोसिटी जो चेंज हो रही है 0 टू ओमेगा चेंज हो रही है। सो यहाँ पे हमको गिवन है, गिवन मास ऑफ द रॉड, mass of the rod it is m, and length of the rod it is given 2l, and angular velocity, initial angular velocity 0 and final angular velocity omega। Now we know that omega is equal to omega final is equal to omega naught plus alpha into t। Now here t is time। Now substituting the value, omega is equal to 0 plus alpha into t। Now we can write alpha is equal to omega upon t। Now we know that torque is equal to I into alpha। So I, value of I, moment of inertia about the perpendicular axis from the midpoint, that will be ml square, means here l is equal to 2l, ml square upon 12 into value of alpha is omega upon t। Now we can write tau is equal to 4 ml square omega upon 12t। Now we can write it as tau is equal to ml square omega upon 3t। Hence the required torque will be ml square omega upon 3t। That was the explanation to this question. Thank you.